very brother, very smart brother Jay, and right here Nick, a very kind, very speaking brother, talented. There, Annalene is really, this is gonna be her second time in ABC, and she's been there. The youngest person ever in the history of this world. That she's the one who's been to ABC when she was just 17 months old.
I don't think that.
And you see Teresa,
I doubt it.
the Mother Teresa here. And here you can see Jasmine Francis, and you can see Mr. Craig Phillips, always and forever evergreen. So myself, I just like this cap. I'm just gonna go wear this now. Look at this. Say Nick, say hello Nick, my brother. Say hello. Okay, he's my partner. He does a lot of speaking.
That's not them.
Focus the light here. Okay. Wait, that's okay for now. People inside here.
Zoom. Did you see how it went sideways, Nick?
Yeah.
See? Right? So you can zoom it. Did you see this? We started our second day to Annapurna Base Camp. You can see our brother Jay here. This is the second day. Second day, Anna, Nick. This is the second day. How do you feel about second day? What do you feel it's gonna be like?
Beautiful, more beautiful.
Okay, great. So this one is, what place is it? Do you remember the name of this place?
This place is
Sinoi, right? Okay, and so I think I have more stamina today than yesterday, and I don't have to have any trouble today. Let's see. Day 2, and you can see Miss Craig Phillips too. He's walking, and however some are ahead, some are behind. And if you're thinking about where's Jasmine, Jasmine's here.
Hi, girl.
People are asking, where is Jasmine? Jasmine, they're asking, where are you? This is the roadways, and aha.
Another helicopter, seriously? That's not right.
Are you feeling good? Look at here, Jasmine. Let's see who goes first, okay? Who goes fast and first? Wow. Looking like it's Jasmine.
सिरैमा सिउरी दिउँला लाली गुराँस फुला नाचिदौ फनफनी मादल बोकेर गिलेरे मेरो हजुरा ए मेरो हजुरा छैन मेरो कसैको कसुरा वनमा फुलो फुल माया लाउँदैमा हुँदैन पो भुल अलिकति पिएको मात्रै हो वनमा फुलो फुल माया लाउँदैमा हुँदैन पो भुल.
How are you feeling right now, Anna? How are you feeling, Jay? How are you feeling, Manish?
I'm feeling good.
How are you feeling, Mother Teresa?
so good.
How are you feeling, little Jasmine? Francisco? Are you feeling good? Hello? Jasmine, how are you feeling today? Great.
Hello, namaste.
Okay, राजु दाईको के अरे कृष्ण विष्णु दाईको गीत फेरि पनि सुनाऊ हामी ल नाचौँ न दाई एकचोटि ल नाचौँ Teresa.
चलाला बगिरहोस् मर्स्याङ्दीको खोला है चिरैमा सिउरी दिउँला लाली गुराँस फुला नाचिदेऊ छमछमी मादल बोकेर हे हजुरा मेरो हजुरा छैन मेरो कसैको कसुरा बनमा हुँदैन हुँदैन पो घर कहाँ हो
तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो
नेपाल हो
नेपाली नै हो
नेपाली मैले हो यस्तै सानो बच्चाबाट यहाँ पोखरा बसेको छ प्लेनमा बसिरहेको हामी चाहिँ नेपालीबाट बोलिरहेको अनि नेपाली जस्तै स्वभाव पनि लजाउने पनि क्या अनि भरे त नेपाली त यति मजाले प्रष्ट नबोल्ने रहेछ है अनि एकजना त नेपालीसँगै बिहा भएको छ आउँदैछ उहाँ घर चाहिँ कता युके हो
I didn't know that.
Not run.
But still couldn't catch up.
Oh, don't run, don't run. Don't run.
Okay, you have to keep going. Now
Yeah, just keep going. No more running.
they're going. They're coming. Come on. You have to keep going.
No more running though. Don't run, don't run. Start with Anna.
No,
Anna, what?
Yes, hi, Nick.
Hi. Hi, Suresh. Are you hungry for lunch?
Yeah, very hungry. Very, very hungry.
Is it easier than yesterday or?
Yeah, it's very good than yesterday. Now go to Anna.
Anna,
Hello.
How are you feeling, Anna?
how are you feeling?
With everyone.
Feeling great. Hungry a little bit.
Okay. Jay, are you hungry? No. Jasmine, are you hungry eating so many chocolates? I just ate one, so how could it
Okay, go around and do it to everyone.
You're the one that carries all the bags. Hungry? Okay.
Where did you start today, Shaman?
Are you
No,
hungry?
we started just at the last
a little bit.
Sinua.
I like your pace.
Are you hungry?
I am hungry. I like to do it. I took
What?
one day longer.
I am
than
hungry.
the
Oh,
let's
okay.
rush and get this done as quick as possible itinerary. Because I arrived at NBC that's the end of the morning. We should just go to ABC.
Say hello, Suresh.
Hi. Hello.
Who said it pass it to?
Yes, hi. Don't block the camera from your hand.
I'm not.
Now go to your mom.
I'm gonna show you to my mom. Here's my mom. Mama.
Hey.
Mom.
Take care.
Supposed to say something like Nick.
Yeah, that's right. There's that one.
Okay. Hi. I'm ready to eat some food. Are you?
Yes.
Good.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hello, sweetie. How are you? Sure love you. Yeah. So happy that we're traveling together up here to ABC.
Let me pass it to someone else.
Okay.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Anna, say something.
Veg, I'm pretty sure.
Say something.
Well, I'm just making sure he's not getting chicken raw.
Say something.
Say what? Hey, Chess.
Hey, Jasmine, say something. Ask me.
You said something.
Ask me.
And I'm the one that's here.
Okay. Ask me.
Nick, say hi. He's eating chocolate right now, and he has chocolate on his face all over him. No.
Now ask me. Can I say something?
Yes.
Hey, Jasmine, you have a good heart. We like you. We love you. And you're a very good girl.
Jay? He's having a camera that's mine. And here is me.
This is the food that we get to eat when we climb ABC. This is the day 2 the day 2. This is the lunch again, and we just saw the menu, which I'm gonna actually also explain how much you're gonna have to carry when you come to ABC. This is day 2 again. Everyone, do you feel it's very tasty? Do you think? Yeah, it's very tasty. And the meats are not allowed here. If you think that you can eat meat when you climb here, from day 2, there's no meat, only veg. हैन मासु पाउँदैन यतिर हैन गाई मासु चाहिँ पाउँदैन ओके मातिर पनि पाउँदैन अब है ल यो रहेको छ गुन्द्रुकको अचार गुन्द्रुकको अचार ठीक छ एकदमै मिठो रहेको छ त्यसो चाहिँ हाम्रो भाइहरुको होटल आफ्नै होटल हो यो भाइ यो ठाउँको नाम के हो भन्दियो
यो ठाउँको नाम बम्बु हो दाइ
बम्बु ल बम्बुमा दिस इज बम्बु थोरै
मन पर्ने चाहिँ
यो मासु नपकाउनु अलाउड नगर्नु कारण के हो यहाँ
कारण चाहिँ मलाई पनि थाहा छैन दाइ है अब खै के छ
भाइको घर कहाँ हो
मेरो घरको हो
ए ल यो बिजनेस हो कि जब हो भाइको ओके here the mountains just 1 second hello Teresa hey Anna it feels very difficult but I think there's a lovely things on the way everywhere you can see the river here I wish that I could just get some time to swim right here you know and go and catch some fish and I'm sure Nick and Jay would love to just swim down right here and maybe Anna too so it's been a great time Craig how you feel about this place oh a lot of beautiful places and there's a way to go and we'll update you again everything what we go through thank you oh yes we are now at we're taking a break you can see Anna trying to eat chow chow and Nick take glasses Nick is at the glass Jasmine enjoying with the music Manish right here and here you can see our team दाइको घर यही हो ल दाइ हेलो भन्नु न दाइ हेलो कुन हो होला भोटर ओके तपाईहरु यहाँ बस कुन ठाउँ नाम भन्नुस् दोबान इफ यु आर कमिङ टु दोबान लोड दोबान भन्दिनु न इंग्लिशमा किन के चाहियो भने यो कति ए साउन कति रुपैयाँ लाग्छ खानाको होटलको भन्नु न होटलको कति रुपैयाँ चार्ज हुन्छ एकजनाको 300 रुपैयाँ छ जस्ट 300 तपाई यहाँ के गर्नुहुन्छ तपाई यहाँ के गर्नुहुन्छ हिँडेको गर्नुहुन्छ गुड
Follow Jesus, follow God's word with all the heart.
So I'm here to get a ride to Palama. Do you like this river, Anna? Do you like this river? So correct.
Western prong is
Look at those breeze here and right here. Dai, यो खोलाको बारेमा एक दुई शब्द जाओस् त ल
एकदमै हाम्रो यो दोबानको नजिकै रहेको हिमालय पहिला दोबान भन्दा पछिको खोला यो खोलामा एकदमै तपाईको चिसो पानी माथिबाट आउने हिङचुली हिमालबाट है यस एकदम सलल्ल सङ्लो पानीहरु छ है कति राम्रो पानी छ हेर्नु हामी एबीसी जाँदाखेरि यो बाटोमा पर्छ र चाहिँ
Francis girl Jasmine Captain Raju the Mr. Trek guide.
Namaste.
So now he's gonna tell us how high and what altitude we are at, and how high this is from the ocean, or you can just simply say from Pokhara, Nepal, please.
Yes. Namaste. I'm Raju Kesi. We are going to ABC trek.
Yes.
Normally we are starting from the 820 meter from Pokhara to altitude, and the maximum we are going 4,130 meter.
So today, right now, what altitude? What
we have? This is the altitude going near the 3,000.
3,000.
Yeah, 2,700-800.
Okay.
Around.
Okay, that's good.
Altitude here, and
that's it for now.
Different altitude.
That's good for now.
Even sometimes it's altitude high, even down. Sometimes
Good.
down.
That's it for now. Okay.
ग्लासमा पनि काम छैन राख्ने हो त्यसमा अब अर्को टोपी लाउनुपर्छ जाम क्या हो जाम क्या
You did it.
You go, you go.
Jasmine, let's go, let's go.
How old is my daughter? She is 9. She's a big girl now.
Oh,
How
wow.
old are you?
Like in the city.
Wow, really busy. Yeah. Have a good trek.
Nick. Oh, yeah. Run, run, run.
Don't run.
Okay. I didn't read it, okay?
Korea. Where are you from?
Nepal?
Nepal? Are you Nepal?
Hi,
Hi.
handsome boy. Craig.
Okay, you know the waterfall going down. Look at the